guys, today I am filming a haul video to show you all the things I picked up during the spring Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. And I've got some real good stuff here, some repurchases and some new products to me. I initially was going to do this in combination with my Sephora VIB sale haul because I didn't think I was going to pick up that much from the Sephora sale, but a few more things have come up on the website, a few more things have come up on the sales section that I'm interested in, so I do think I'll film a separate haul for that, and I'll cross my fingers that the things I want are still in stock. I'm filming this video on April 10th. I'm not able to shop the Sephora sale until April 13th because I'm a VIB. I only get 15% off. Lame, but it's something. So that haul will be coming soon as well. And before we get into the rest of the video, I am not loving my makeup today. This lip color looked much lighter in the tube, but I already put it on. It's liquid lipstick. I tried to put a gloss on top that has like a good amount of coverage and it didn't really lighten the shade any, so I'm just like, whatever, it's fine. I don't love my hair, I don't love my makeup, but it's on, it's fine. We're just gonna get into the haul, and I actually was able to pick up everything on my wish list except for one product, which would be the Persona eyeliner in the bronze shade. And this actually went out of stock before the sale even started, and it never restocked during that day, which was a bummer. And no, I did not need this, but I don't have another bronze liner, pencil liner in my collection, and I was excited to try out something else from Persona, and it was only going to be $7. So I wish I could have tried it, but out of all the things I wanted to get, if I had to pick one thing to be out of stock, it would have been that. So I'm just very thankful I was able to get everything else. So the first deal that I shopped would be a new product, which was really exciting to see in the sale. And this is the Tarte Shape Tape Ultra Creamy Concealer. You guys know the original is my holy grail. I've tried so many other concealers and that one is just my favorite, but I really wanted to see how this new formula compared. And it looks like they have just as large of a shade selection as they do in the original, I believe. I know they at least had the shade that I wear, which is 12 in Fair Neutral. And I've only heard a little bit about this concealer so far. From some people I've heard that it's not as full coverage as the original. I've also heard that it is a little bit more hydrating. It's not as drying as the original, which I don't mind because I have very oily under eyes, but I will definitely be battling this out like the original on one under eye and the Ultra Creamy on the other side to see what differences I'm noticing. So I will get back with you with my thoughts on this, but I'm very excited to try it out. And a tube of this concealer lasts me absolutely ages. I always pick up one, usually like once a year during the sale, because it is my favorite. And it is expensive, so half off. This was $13.50. Next are some products I really want to hear your thoughts on. I purchased 2 MAC blushes, and I love MAC blushes. I have several in my collection. Some of my first blushes, my most favorite special Holy Grail blushes, are from MAC, and they have a very large shade selection, but not on the Ulta website. So I was looking at the shades available, and there really were only 2 that I was interested in that I didn't already have. And these are not very popular blushes. So when I was trying to look up some swatches, the swatches were ancient. I did see some pictures from Dahlia, but I don't think they were swatches. I don't know if she had swatches of both of these colors at least, but she did show some like MAC blush palette she'd put together. So I was able to see the different blushes side by side. But the color that these appeared to be on the Ulta website is 1.5 million times different than they look in person. So when I got these in person, I was like confused. So these were $12.50 each, which is a great price. I can't believe the concealer was more than the blushes. So I haven't used these yet. I want to know your thoughts about whether I should keep them or return them unused. Both of these colors are sheer tone shimmers, which is a new finish to me. Most of the blushes I have are satins or mattes, but I do have one regular sheer tone. So the colors I got would be Peach Twist and Peachykeen. These are very pretty. I think these would be really nice on like a medium tan skin tone from like how deep they look in the packaging. And these look like they would give you that beautiful like sunburned cheek look in both the color and the shimmer. I think it will give that nice glow that you sometimes have when you have a sunburn. So I think the colors are very interesting. And like I really want to try them, but I'm just trying to be smart because I want them to be able to be resold if I don't think I'm gonna like them. I did pull 4 blushes from my collection that I thought would be the most similar, so I thought that might help me decide if I wanted to keep them. But most of the ones that I already have are mattes and these are shimmers. So anyway, here are my 2 MAC blushes, and compared to Becca's Songbird, this one is definitely more orange. Then I have this limited edition shade Ripe for Love, which is also more orange, more peachy. This one's looking a lot more like neutral. This one's got more red in it. This is Pixie Beach Rose, again a little bit more like orangey terracotta, and it's lighter. Then we've got Warm Honey, which is darker than this one. I wouldn't really use the shimmer very much, but that's how the shimmer compares in the matte. So they're definitely different from what I have. I think they'd be so pretty. I do feel like I want to try these. I'm just gonna be mad at myself if I try them on and I'm like, whoa, I don't like them. And it just sucks because I wish I could swatch them in store. That would help me so much, and I could possibly return these, you know, if I didn't like the way the swatches look, but we're still not able to swatch products in store. So I'm going to try to upload this video like very soon after I'm filming it, so I won't touch them yet. And please let me know your thoughts on what I should do with those blushes in the comments. So the next thing is something that I've tried before, but I had an incorrect shade, so I wanted to try it again in a different color. This is the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Foundation. I previously had tried LG3, which is the lightest yellow undertone shade on the Ulta website, and it was much too dark for me. So I decided to go with LN2, which would be the second neutral undertone shade, and I chose this one instead of a lighter shade because the other lighter colors available on the Ulta website were more of that pinky undertone. So I'm really hoping this will match. I haven't tried it yet. I know people really love this foundation, and I enjoyed it the couple times I tried it in the wrong color, but it's just hard for me to look past a really bad color match. So I am excited to try this again because a lot of people really love this, and this was $18. And the next item I'm very excited about. This is something that has been on my Ulta wish list for 2 years maybe, since this product came out. So I was really excited to see this as part of the sale, and it's something from Lorac, which is a brand that I overlook a lot. This is the Lorac Luxe Diamond Golden Hour Highlight Palette, and my sister has a single of the Luxe Diamond highlighters, and the formula is so nice and looks so beautiful. So I thought I would give this a try. I know some of these shades are going to be too dark for me, but I'm hoping that I can mix this with some of the other shades to make it work. So I'm very excited to try this formula and see what I think of these shades. And this was $17.50. And then the last 3 products that I have were all repurchases. And the first one is the Beauty Blender Dream Swirl set. And I have not had this one. I've had the original. I've had the yellow one. It's what I'm using right now. I absolutely love the original Beauty Blender sponge, and it's very hard to find a single for about half off. Usually they're really big sets. You can get those for a good price, but I don't need 5 sponges and 4 cleansers. It's just too much. So this set was just perfect because you do have the like dreamsicle sponge, and then you do have a very generous mini size of their solid cleanser, which I really enjoy. So this was half off, making it only $10. and it is worth it to me. I know the Real Technique sponges and a lot of other sponges are cheaper than even half off this one, but it's a very special sponge to me. So I was very excited for the opportunity to get this half off because it doesn't come up very often. And then for the last day of this sale, there were two things I purchased. The first is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More primer. This is one of my favorite pore filling primers and it is incredibly expensive. This is featured in the 21 Days of Beauty sale from time to time, but not every season or every year. So I'm about halfway through the bottle I have now, and I figured it's the time to get it because this is so expensive. So even half off, it still cost me $22.50, which is a little pricey, but it lasts forever. It totally is worth it. This formula just works so well on my skin, and I was so thankful to see that this was included in the sale again, because this is a staple product that I run through pretty quickly, and that would be the Dermablend Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I love this for setting my under eyes and my face, and these were on sale for $14.50 each, which is a great price. Even full price, it's a really good value, but half off is the way to go. I am using one right now, and then I do have these two backups. Again, I do go through them pretty quickly. I already used up one this year, so very happy to have these, and hopefully they will hold me over until the next sale. So I did not add it up. I will do that and list it in the description box. I know it was a little bit pricey, but I am happy with the things that I picked up. I think I have a good balance of repurchases and some new things that I'm wanting to try. So I do plan on keeping everything, except I'm unsure on these MAC blushes, so please let me know what you think I should do in the comments, or maybe I should just keep one of them. Let me show them to you again, and if I should keep just one, which color do you think it should be? So this one is Peachykeen, and the more neutral is Peach Twist. So guys, what were your thoughts on the 21 Days of Beauty sale this year? I was initially super disappointed in the original calendar, but luckily there were so many better online deals. Like most of these things here that I purchased were online deals. I'm very happy with the things that I got, but I would love to know what you purchased during the sale as well. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.